part of it. Yes.
Yeah, I can take a left here.
Okay.
And take a right.
Got it. Oh, wait, that's range. Oh, just kidding.
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't see the miles.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
thought that was the... Okay, never mind. Okay.
200 miles for like a few months, like almost a half a year.
Okay, 14,000. Okay, that makes sense. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, my bad. Whoopsie daisies.
Yeah, so I've drove this a lot. That's why. This one has like 2.0 liters.
Yeah,
engine.
2 liter. Yeah, that's... I mean, for day-to-day commuting, it's not bad.
Yeah. I don't really care for the horsepower or anything. I just can't make this car. It moves.
It drives, has air conditioning.
Yeah, it doesn't cause a lot of problems. Good.
It is a Toyota after all.
Huh?
It is a Toyota after all, so...
Yeah. That's what my dad told me. He was like, "Oh, just get a Toyota, something like that." Then,
he had I think he had a Fiesta before this one.
yeah,
right?
that was a nightmare. That was a nightmare. It was like 1 year. I think it's like 2019 or whatever. I fixed the car for at least 6 or 7 times just that year. When I say fix it, it's not like small things. Like I had to be taken to the shop.
Right.
So it was pretty horrible.
Yeah, the Fiesta is pretty bad in terms of reliability.
A few times was because the door latch was completely broken, so that thing wouldn't close. It just wouldn't lock themselves.
Right,
so I had to use a freaking phone charger, tie them up with my door frame. Yeah,
Nice.
because I just found out that there's kind of like a recall. A manufacturer recall for that door. So I took them to that dealership and they fixed it for free.
That's good.
I mean, still.
I mean, recalls, they have to fix it for free, but like...
Yeah. I mean, but still, you gotta... The part that's worse is 4 of them actually have to replace, right?
Right.
And it's kind of stupid because when I took them to the dealership, they only fixed like that one door.
Right.
And yet next thing you know, the other door is broken too. So I took the shop like twice. The second time it's like, y'all just need to fix all the doors because I'm not taking this one back to the shop again. Turn signal.
So if I...
A little bit. So like D.
Ah. Interesting.
Yeah.
Lane departure warning. Interesting.
It gets a little bit annoying sometimes.
I bet.
Because sometimes, you know, the road, you see the concrete's in the middle.
Right.
Cracking things. But sometimes, especially like 59, it's like non-stop construction.
Right.
So the speed bonds are all over the places. And you just find your car's like beep, beep, beep the whole time we're driving over.
Does it like correct you?
Yeah, trying to correct me. It's like, no, I don't want to hit the wall.
Usually when what I find issue is like when you're trying to change lanes without like putting on your indicators or your blinkers, like when you're just trying to like nudge your way into another lane when nobody's there, it'll like blink, it'll like flash the or make that sound. And it's like, well, I just want to change lanes without using my blinkers. Not that you should, but like if nobody's there, then
yeah, it's a little annoying. But I mean, it's actually pretty good. It got me to the point that it's just kind of like a muscle memory kind of thing.
Yeah.
Turn the signal. I mean, it's good. It's just annoying sometimes.
I gotcha. I'll just go here and take an off ramp here. Come on, Mustang. There you go. Once that's over, then we should be good.